My name is Aris, and then in this video I'll be discussing about how to change your oil seal. So if you want to change your oil seal, just like this engine, the oil seal was filled so badly, and then I discovered that the oil is leaking. So if you look closely, when I removed the oil seal, I discovered some crack from the oil seal, some crack in the sense that the oil seal was damaged because of it was not squarely fixed. Squarely means once something is pressed evenly at the same time to fit in, and then what you're using to compress or to fit in have to be in between the seal, because in between the seal contains iron, so you are heating from the iron side in between, not in the seal that is as in contact to the crankshaft. So you see some mark in the seal, have some crack, just like someone is using something to just in each angle, so it have to be a circular way of cooking. So those are what spoil the seal. See some visible mark spoiling the seal, and when I was trying to put it back, just as I told you, I used something circular, understand, to fit in the back the oil seal and put it back, and then this is good to go. So this thing took me some time to learn how to do, because I just feel like I'm just fitting just anyhow, and you start dropping. At the end of the day, you have to keep changing oil seal, until you don't know how to do it. The major thing is for you to look for a circular pipe and square in the oil seal, and square in the oil seal. So that is it. So have you ever have a generator that is leaking oil, and you try to put in the seal and you do it wrongly, and you're still having constant oil leakage? Then this video is for you. So when you're doing it next time, just pour it in and you are good to go. And disadvantage of bad oil seal is that it leaks out your engine oil, and so you have to keep buying engine oil. And just like the video of the picture of this generator, everywhere bad and dirty, the oil is splashed everywhere of the engine, and then you're seeing that engine is very, very dirty. So you have to first of all trace which side of the gen, if it's the rear or if it's the rear or the front oil seal. You have to know which of the oil seal is leaking by looking out for a trace of oil from each of the angles. So in this case now, the owner told me that it's coming from the starter side, this is the rear side, and then I was able to remove it, and I saw the way they put it around here, and I was able to put it back to this Aris engineering company. And then I'll be sending more videos about replace and how to maintain an engine. And currently at the workshop, like my other videos, so I'll be making more videos from home, sites, and anywhere I myself, because if I wait for when I'll be at the workshop, I might not make much video. But once I'm working on my work, I'll take a pictures. Then when I'm less busy, I'll post videos. So if you're generator technicians or have a knack for generator repair, make sure you subscribe and send it to your friends. Thank you. I'm Aris Engineering Technical Service Engineer, and I'm going to see you on the other one. Goodbye.